Searching for information for your assignments or research projects can be a daunting process. With so much information and so many different resources out there, where do you start? We're going to show you how to prepare a search plan, so that when it comes to finding information, your approach will be focused and effective. A search plan is an outline of the information you need, where you're going to find it, and how you're going to search for it. There are 4 main steps. 1. Describe your research question and set limits on your search. 2. Break your topic down into key themes or concepts. 3. Build a bank of alternative keywords and synonyms for your key concepts. And 4. Plan where you're going to look by identifying the types of information you need. In step 1, the focus is on setting the boundaries of your search by describing what you do and do not want to include. Here we are researching the effects of social media on the mental health of adolescents. We want to limit our scope and aim to find information from the last 10 years, with a focus on the UK. We'll exclude research about adults or younger children. In step 2, you need to identify the key concepts for your research question. Here we have identified the key concepts as effects, social media, mental health, and adolescence. In step 3 of your plan, list 3 to 5 related keywords or synonyms for each concept. People describe information in different ways, and it is useful to start with a bank of keywords to help you find the most relevant information on your topic, no matter the terms the author has used. Once you've identified your keywords, it's tempting to begin your search. But to be effective, you need to think about what types of information you need, whether academic, such as books or articles, professional or trade literature, newspapers or historical documents. Where you find each of these types of information is different. Step 4 of your search plan encourages you to think about the types of information you need and plan where you'll search. You will find lots of database suggestions from the library website. When beginning your search, the best approach is to start small, testing 2 or 3 keywords in a broad tool such as Library Search. How you combine your keywords will affect the results you find, and there are some simple search techniques you can apply that will help you to find more relevant information in a range of search tools. Where a database has an advanced search box, use it to help structure your search around the concepts you identified in step 2. Combining the key concepts with AND will narrow your results to materials that include all of those terms. Putting or between your alternative keywords and synonyms will broaden your search by finding results that contain either word or phrase. Use quotation marks to find an exact phrase containing 2 or more words. Many databases have refinement options that will allow you to limit your search results by date or exclude subjects. To find all relevant information on your topic, aim to try out your search on each of the databases you identified. As you start searching and exploring the features of different databases, remember your plan is a flexible guide. You will need to review and adapt your plan based on the results and the type of information you're looking for. To help you get started, we've developed an online search planner that will guide you through these 4 steps and help you organise your ideas. You can also submit your search plan for feedback from a librarian, who can suggest improvements online or meet with you to talk about your search. You can find further help and advice on finding information from the Academic Skills Kit, identify specialist resources on the library website, or contact us via Library Help.